Hello everyone, this is Chiranjit Seal and you are watching DIGI classes, and today's topic is utility. Utility means satisfaction. So utility refers to the psychological satisfaction when a consumer consumes a commodity. Utility can be two types, that is marginal utility and total utility. Marginal utility refers to the extra satisfaction when a consumer consumes an extra commodity. And total utility means the summation of all the marginal utilities. We can find the marginal utility with the help of the formula, that is marginal utility is TUN minus TUN minus 1. In other words, marginal utility can be termed as the difference of total utility is also known as marginal utility. Suppose here a table utility schedule is written. Suppose the schedule is for the commodity, namely apple, and the apple's utility schedule is here. And if we want to find out the marginal utility of the fifth units of consumption, that means apple, then we have to write here TUF minus TUN minus 1, that is 4. 5 minus 1, 4. So total utility is written here, that is total utility of the fifth item is 30 and total utility of fourth item is 28. And 30 minus 28 is 2. Here it is already written, that is 2. In the same way, if we want to find the total utility from the marginal utilities, then we use the formula, that is marginal utility of 1, first item, second item, up to the nth item. Here n means the last item, that means last unit of consumption. Here it is 7. Suppose we want to find the total utility of the fourth item. Total utility of the fourth item, then we have to add the marginal utilities of up to the fourth item. Here it is 10, 8, 6 and 4. So the summation of these utilities is the total utility up to fourth item. That is here 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. Here MUN is 4. So 18, 6, 24 plus 28. TU4, that means here 4, it is TU and it is already written is here 28, and this is the formula. Through this formula we find the marginal utility and total utility. So with the help of the table we can draw the diagram to understand the relationship between marginal utility and total utility. Here it is marginal utility 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, minus 2. And the marginal utility is in a decreasing rate. Total utility is 10, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 4, 28, then 30, 30 and 28. Here first units of consumption 1, that is marginal utility is 10. Here it is 10. Then second 8, 6, 4, 2, 0 and minus 2. Marginal utility can be negative. Here it is minus 2. And total utility 10, 18, 24, 28, 30, 30. Then it becomes 28 because marginality gets negative. So 30 minus 2, 28. Here it is 28. So the curve MU is decreasing because marginal utility decreases. When units of consumption increases, the marginality decreases. That is 10, 8, 6, 4, and finally it may be negative. So from this analysis, from the table or the diagram, we may find the relationship in some point, that is when marginal utility, the first point is when marginal utility is positive, the total utility increases. And point to be noted here that the marginal utility, when marginal utility is positive, the total utility is increases but at a decreasing rate. And the second point is that when marginal utility gets 0 or becomes 0, the total utility becomes highest. Here in the diagram, at the 6 units of consumption, the marginal utility becomes 0 and the total utility becomes highest, that is 30. And the third point of the relationship is that when marginal utility gets negative, the total utility decreases. Here from 30 to 28 at the 7th unit of consumption. So hopefully you understand the concept of or the relationship between the marginal utility and total utility. So thank you for watching our video and your love and support. Thank you all.